Hi guys, Jaleesa here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on new videos. As you are watching the video, if you enjoy what you see, hit that thumbs up button so that my videos can continue to be pushed out there for more people to see. Today I am going to be sharing a new beauty product with you guys from RMS Beauty. If you saw my previous video, then you saw that they had sent me their latest foundation, their new foundation. RMS Beauty has been a favorite for me since I first tried out their concealers because of the creaminess of their products, the natural products that they use. When I used their concealer for the first time, oh my gosh, it applied so smoothly. It provided like that natural finish for me. I didn't even have to wear like a foundation if I didn't want to. I would just apply it with my fingers to warm it up, and it just worked so well with my skin and blended so well. I also have tried their bronzers, and I posted a video on my Instagram page actually showing their bronzers and how that looked. I love the bronzers as well. They just give me such a natural look. That's just the goal of RMS Beauty, I feel like. So today I'm going to be showing you guys RMS Beauty's blush that they sent me. So I'm excited about this because I love blushes and adding that just to bring color back into my face whenever I do like a full face of makeup. And I actually am wearing RMS Beauty's foundation in the shade 55 on my face right now. So like I said, if you want to see like my review and how I feel about the foundation, check out my previous video. I will link it below and off to the side. But this is RMS Beauty's blush. So they sent over their new ReDimension Hydra powder blush in the shade Cœur Royale. I hope I'm saying that right. So this is what the packaging looks like. And what I really love about their packaging is that when you run out, you can always take out the little tray. So the tray is removable and you can add in another one. So I think that's really cool about their products. The foundation is the same way. Their concealer was the same way. And their bronzer is the same way. You can take out the tray. So this is what the inside looks like. Comes with a little mirror that you can look into. And then this is the blush. So Hydra powder blush. So pretty. They sent over like a pinkish color. Alright guys, so like I said, they sent over their blush in the shade Cœur Royale, which is like a, let's see, what do they describe it as? They describe it as a dimensional mauve surprise. That's interesting. So just some information about it. So it says that it glides on effortlessly. We're going to see. And it infuses with your skin. And it's supposed to be like a light air gel. Light as air gel that blends in, and you can build up the color. So you can apply it on light, or you can build up the color so that you can see it more. So it's made with a sugar derived wet powder technology and combines a creamy texture with a long lasting 3D finish. So there's ingredients like wild crafted buriti in it, and that was in their bronzer as well. And then organic jojoba oil, which is also in their Hydra powder bronzer. So I'm wondering if this blush applies the same way as the bronzer does. It looks the same, but we're going to see how this actually looks on my face. Alright guys, so RMS Beauty sent over their Skin to Skin powder blush brush. This is what it looks like. I'm going to be using this to apply my blush. So let me go ahead and dip into it. I just really love this color. Under the lights, I initially thought this was more of like a pinkish, but I can definitely see that it's mauve. I love that as I move it in the light, it's kind of reflecting. So I'll be interested to see how it actually looks on my skin. And this is my first time using the blush. So just my initial thoughts. So I have the color on my brush. I'm gonna try to knock off some of the color. I feel like I put too much, but I really wanted to get it in the brush. Alright, so I'm gonna apply my blush. I was about to say brush. I'm going to apply my blush right here on the apples of my cheeks. Ooh, I can already see the color. I can already. Ooh. Oh, goodness. This is a lot. Oh, okay. Can y'all see the color? I can already see it. Like, it's very pigmented. I can see how if you like really put too much on, you're gonna be doing the most. So I'm gonna stop right there, and then I'm gonna take what's left on the brush. I'm not even gonna dip back into this blush right now because I feel like I have enough on here that's gonna be enough for this side of my face. And honestly, guys, I don't like to overdo it with my blush because I feel like you can just start to look crazy if you put too much. So yeah. I'm going to use the back of my brush to kind of blend out this blush that I have on this side. Okay, it's starting to look a little better. I really don't like too much blush, but this is pretty. Alright, I'm going to blend out on the other side. Like, I can see the color. It's not doing too much, but I can see it. Can y'all see it? I feel like that's enough for me. So first thoughts about this blush. Don't put too much. It's very pigmented, very pigmented. Y'all saw me. I was kind of going in at first, dipping my brush in here, but you really don't have to do too much. A lot of times when you have blushes, like, you really have to like get in there to get the blush out of the little container. But with this, you really don't have to do too much. You just dip your brush in there. It's going to pick up on there. You're going to see it. Lightly tap your face. Y'all saw I lightly tap. I did too much blush, and it just really showed up on my face. But never fret. You can always blend it out. I blended it out, and I like how it looks. Like I said, I can't see what y'all see on this camera, but I'm looking in my mirror, and I really love the finish of this blush. I love the mauve color. I can see it. And it blended smoothly. It looks really pretty. It's giving like a natural color to my face. I would definitely wear this for like a day party, day outing, and feel like I'm not doing the absolute most. It's really pretty. I like it. Would you guys wear this blush? Let me know. They have 10 different shades of this blush. 10 different shades, and it retails at $35 a blush. So I like it. It's glowy. It's not powdery or anything, which is good. Sometimes blushes can be very powdery and cakey. That's no fun, but this is pretty. I like it. So that's about it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, if you would purchase this blush, let me know down in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.